Hello guys, this is another Flutter tutorial with scikr.com. So in this video I am going to use reset button in Flutter. So reset button is a button with a elevation. So let's find out. Start a new Flutter project, or you can also use terminal for create a Flutter project. I'm using Android Studio, Flutter application. Next, project name as reset underscore button. Okay, next, finish. First I am going to remove these codes in main.dart file. First we need to create main function, and we have to call for one app. To resolve this, we have to add material.dart file in our main.dart. We can do it by using import package flutter slash material.dart. Now let's create a new class. In live directory, new file, and name as hello.dart. In hello.dart file, we have to create a new class for our main.dart file. Use class name as hello, and this is extend with stateless widget. Now we have to import material.dart file here. Import package flutter slash material.dart. Now add the braces for hello class. To resolve this, click class and press Alt and Enter. Click create a missing override. Great. Also you can do this manually by adding these codes. So open main.dart file again. Import hello.dart here. Like that, done. Call for this class in here. Great. Now in hello.dart file, I'm going to return a container for our body. In container bracket, I'm going to add a alignment for this alignment as alignment dot center, and we have to provide a child for this as I'm going to use a new class here, class reset button example, and it is extend with stateless widget. Now add the braces. Again click the class and press Alt and Enter. Create one missing override. Great. Now I'm going to return a container for our button. Return container, bracket open and close, and add semicolon. As a child, we have to use reset button widget. Select this suggestion, and you will generate this method as onPressed as a null. I'm going to make line spaces for this to make code easier. Add a comma, and we can provide the child now. As a button text, we can provide a text widget. I'm going to provide button text as click me. Now we can also provide a style for button text, style text style. We can provide a font size as 20.0, And we can also provide an elevation for this. Elevation and comma. Value as 6.0. Great. Now in hello class, call for this reset button example class in this child. Great. Now we can run the app. I'm going to open my simulator with the Xcode by searching for command and space simulator, and also you can use Android emulator for this. To run our app, I'm seeing some issue here. I'm going to remove this widget underscore test.dart file first and run. When I am running this, I can see some error because of I have to put reset button widget inside material lab widget. I can directly put this container inside the material lab widget. So let's do it. In return as material app, open bracket and close, put a semicolon here, add a home colon. Now we can cut this container code until this end of semicolon and paste it here. I can remove additional semicolon here and let's run. Still we can't find the button here because of we have to introduce a bracket and braces for this onPressed method like this. Now let's run. Okay. If you want to add something here, you can do it yourself. I'm going to print something here by using print keyword and bracket. Let's run. Oh, we have to put a semicolon here. Let's run. Okay, you are seeing the result. We are getting printed hello world. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel youtube.com/SCIKER.